What's up? My name is Duke, and I make taxes very easy to understand. And today I'm going to be teaching you how you can pay your balance due with the IRS. So let's say you filed your tax return, now you have a balance due. Let's talk about paying that. So the first thing we're going to go to is irs.gov/payments. Then you're going to get this option right here. It says, hey, you want to pay your taxes now either through a bank account or a credit card. All right, so we're going to choose bank account. We are not going to choose credit card because you see they got all these extra fees and all that. We ain't going to be paying that. So we're going to choose bank account instead. Now you can use the credit card if you want to, but I recommend bank account. All right, so we're going to hit make a payment. Now to select the reason, you're going to select balance due. All right, so this video is for those who follow tax return and got a balance due. That's what we're talking about today. Apply it to what payment? We're going to apply it to income tax form 1040. So that's the fancy way of calling a tax return a tax return. It's called Form 1040. All right, then we're going to select the period that this payment is applying to. So whatever year that return is for, we're going to select that year. For example, we'll use 2020, and we'll hit continue. It's going to ask us to confirm, hey, dude, make sure you want to do a balance due payment. You want to apply to your tax form 1040, which is correct, and this is for 2020 as well. Yeah, that's right. So you want to make sure all that information is correct. Now, this second part, step 2, is super important because it's asking you to verify your identity. So the way the IRS verifies your identity, they verify it against a prior year's tax return. Okay, that's super important. So let's say it has to be already on file with the tax return. So let's say we already filed our tax return. It's for 2020. We can use 2020. But let's say we just filed our tax return. It may not be on file. You might want to use 2019, but just try to use the most recent year. So let's say, and it's exactly how it was reported on the tax return. Okay. So for example, let's say I'm trying to do 2018, right? But I'm married right now. Let's say I'm married right now in 2021. I'm married right now, but in 2018 I was single. Well, I'm not going to put married because it's going to reject it, because in 2018 I wasn't married. I was single. So whatever you want to make sure, for this one, that includes your address as well. So whatever you live at during that year, that's super important. So it may help that you have like the tax return right next to it. Okay. So next step, we'll fill in our name, last name. Go ahead and fill out your social security number. All right. Okay. Then your date of birth. Then your address. So once again, it's whatever address is on that tax return. It's whatever address is on that tax return. Okay, so once they got you all verified, this is where you get to that payment section, and then you just put the amount that you owed. So let's say you owe $1, put the dollar, confirm amount, dollar, put the payment date, what will be today's date, put your bank account routing number, confirm account number, and just put whether or not it's a checking or savings account. Then select this box right here that says, hey, I want to receive email notifications. Put your email in, hit continue, and it's going to walk you through some other steps. But that's how you pay your IRS balance due. My name is Duke, and I make taxes very easy to understand. Subscribe to my channel to stay educated.